Good afternoon, dear students. Let's do questionnaire consolidation. Consolidating the data using LibreOffice Calc. Open LibreOffice Calc from application Office. LibreOffice Calc window opened. Prepare the table of questionnaire consolidation. This is the model of the table to be prepared. We want to add house owner's name to the left of column D or house name. What should we do for this? Click on any one of the cells in the column house name. Right-click on the column and select the option Insert. Insert Cells dialog box appears. Click on the selection Entire column and click on OK button. A new column is added to the left of the column house name. Now give the heading name of the house owner at the top of the new column and add the names of the house owners in the columns below that. It will be better to add serial numbers in the first column of the table. How can we do this? Add a new column at the beginning of the table. Do you have to type all the serial numbers in the column? Click on any one of the cells in the column A or house number. Then right-click on the column and select Insert option. Select Entire column and click on OK button. A new column is added at the beginning of the table. Type serial number as heading. Type 1 in the first cell. Click on the cell and select it. Move the mouse pointer towards the right bottom corner of the cell. The mouse pointer changed into plus mark. This is called fill handle. Fill handle helps us to copy data or formulae to the adjacent cells or data fill. Now drag the pointer downwards. The serial numbers automatically inserted in the first column. Let's find out how much vegetables each family produced. To find the sum, select the cell in which we have to get the sum total of the quantity of vegetables produced by each family. Click on the Sum tool in the toolbar. What do we see in the column we selected for getting sum? Equal sum and the address of the first and last cells of which we have to find the sum parted by colon. What is mean by this? It means the cell should have the sum of the data in the cells from G4 to K4. Now press the Enter key. We will get the sum of vegetables produced by one family. How can we find out the sum of the vegetables produced by the other families? Select the cell in which we got the sum. Find the sum of all the other cells using the fill handle on this cell. Then drag the pointer downwards. When we add serial numbers, number series is added in the nearby cells. But here the formula for finding the sum is added instead. How can we find the production divided by acre of each family? We get the production divided by acre by dividing the total production by the measurement of land used. Let's write using the cell address as we have done to find the sum. Instead of typing in a function cell, we can use the function tool equal on the toolbar. Select the cell in which we have to get the production divided by acre. Then click on the equal button from the toolbar. Click on the cell in which the total production is given. We can see the address of the cell. Then enter the symbol of division. Click on the cell in which the measurement of land used is given. Press the enter key. We can get the production divided by acre. Find the production divided by acre in all cells using fill handle tool. In order to reduce the decimal points, click on Format menu, Cells option. Format Cells dialog box appears. From the Numbers tabs, change the decimal places into 2. Then click on OK button. Just observe the changes. How can we find out item-wise sum of the vegetables produced? We have to find the sum of the data given in rows instead of that in columns. Type total at the bottom of the table. Then find the sum of total land and measure of total land used. Then find the sum of vegetables produced. Find the sum of all the other cells using the fill handle on this cell. Select the last cell of production divided by acre. Select Format menu, Cells option. Change the decimal places into 2 from the Numbers tab. How can we find out the best vegetable producer from the table? The best vegetable producer will be the person who has produced the largest quantity per acre. It is difficult to find out one person from a long list of agriculturists. It will be easy if we can arrange the list in descending order in accordance with the amount of production. Select the cells F3 to M13. Then click on Data menu, Sort option. Select the column which is to be sorted in the Sort key 1. Here it is production divided by acre column. Select the option Descending and then click on OK. Now we can see the name of the best vegetable producer on the top of the table. To save this file, click on File menu, Save option. Save as dialog box appears. Select the destination folder from the home folder. Type a file name. Then click on Save button. This chapter will continue in the next class.